Hey everybody, this is the Global Search Group 16.6 planning kickoff issue. So let's go through what we've got on deck for this release or this milestone. First, we'll be continuing our work on Zookt code search. So we've got sharding and replication work that's going to work on communicating to the shards that we've got deployed, and then also some work on the second iteration of the high availability work that we're doing, which will have the Zookt indexers calling back to the GitLab application, so that the GitLab app will know about the indexing task status. For context, the reason this is important is because Zookt by itself doesn't really scale out to high availability. It's kind of meant to be a smaller scale code search engine, but it is great for code search. And so this high availability work is customization to handle the Zookt code search product at scale. So that's what that work is about. We're then going to do some simplifications to the search input section and move these group and project filters over. So that'll end up looking something like this. And the reason for that is that right now it's not super clear how you get started with search. We've had these design issues in the backlog for quite some time. So we've done some good research to indicate that people find this kind of confusing and that we wanted to move the group and project filters out to the side. So small UI change there, but should be hopefully impactful for improving the UX for search. And then we finally got adding missing fix for missing file index to index integrity. Basically, we may delete a file in a repository, but then not delete it from the index. And so this work will make sure that the index and our repositories are actually in sync. So that's it for the feature work. So I'll hand it off to CZ to go over maintenance and bugs.
Thank you, Ben. Let me share my screen. In 16.6, for the maintenance and bug fixes, we have some plans. First, for the maintenance work, we are going to work on rewriting part of advanced search frontend using Vue. Also, we plan to add a query impact score, so that we hope by doing this we can catch up some very expensive queries beforehand, which would impact the overall performance of the search. That's for the maintenance work. And for the bug fixes, we had a bug report where you see the duplicate entries in the dropdown of the search model. We're going to address this issue. Also, we recently added a toggle so that users can filter in and out the results from archived projects. But this toggle should only be used on global and group level. When you drill down to the project level, this toggle is not meaningful. We plan to hide this toggle on the project level so that it won't confuse users. The other bug fixes we are going to do is to address some issues that's related to the work items. So there's some out of sync issues between the work item and our index. So we're going to address this issue in the 16.6. Yeah, I think that's all from the maintenance and bug fixes side.
Awesome. Thanks, CZ. All right, that wraps it up then for the Global Search Group 16.6 milestone. Thanks, everybody. See you soon. Bye.